Hello and welcome guys, this is Kush Pandey and this video will focus on India's GDP forecast for 2018-19 which is given by different organization. This is the most updated estimation for GDP by different organizations. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. It is the total monetary value of all the goods and services which are produced within a financial year within the geographical boundaries of a country. GDP is basically a measure of the internal strength of an economy, and leading organizations like RBI, CSO, OECD, IMF, World Bank, all these organizations provide to us the forecasting of the GDP. So without further ado, let's have the report. Well, the Hindi version, इसका जो हिंदी version है, that will be available in the description. वो आपको description box में मिल जाएगा. जो भी हिंदी देखना चाहते हैं, वो आप description में देख सकते हैं. The first organization is called as Fitch Ratings. It is basically based out of US, and according to its global economic outlook, the GDP forecast is at 7.8%. Then we have an India-based rating called as India Ratings and Research. In its mid-year outlook, they have given India an estimation of 7.2%. Then one of the most multi-dimensional banks in Asia, the bank which is similar to a World Bank in function, especially for the Asian outlook. According to the Asian Development Outlook or ADO, the GDP forecasting is at 7.3%. Then we have International Monetary Fund. According to their World Economic Outlook, they have given us 7.3%. UNCTAD, which has recently issued a report called as Trade and Development. UNCTAD basically stands for United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. According to them, it is the least of the other estimations, that is at 7%. Then we have World Bank, which is of course one of the leading development organizations in the world. According to their latest report called as the South Asia Economic Focus Budget Funds Report, they have given us 7.3%. Then let's focus on Reserve Bank of India, RBI. On the other hand, in its latest bi-monthly monetary policy review, have given us 7.4%. CRISIL, which is a rating agency, and please tell me in the comment section what is the full form of CRISIL. They have in the India Outlook 2018, they have given us at 7.5%. Then we have FICCI, which is an association of industrial chambers. According to their economic outlook survey, it is at 7.4%. Then a very big change has happened in NITI AYOG. NITI AYOG has tied up with an analytical firm called as Quanta, and in the coming years to come, this particular organization, this particular joint venture will replace CSO, and they will be the official GDP estimators of the country. So according to the NITI Quanta survey, they have in the first quarter of 2018, the GDP has reached at 7.83%. Then Nomura, which is a Japanese analytical firm, according to their Nomura report, they have suggested a GDP growth rate of 7.7%. Well, mind, this particular estimation is up till July 31. It might have changed. Then we have OECD, which is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which is based out of Paris. According to their economic outlook, they have given us at 7.5%. And the last, which is the official estimator of the GDP, that is the CSO, they have given us at 7.5%. So on average, 7.3% and 7.5% is basically the GDP forecasting for the country, and this might change in the coming months to come. But as on 9th October, barring the report of Nomura, all the other are updated as on 9th of October 2018. So guys, if you've liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. और अगर आप हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं तो जो इसका हिंदी YouTube वीडियो है वो इसी के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा. आपका आने के लिए धन्यवाद.